I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Right, again, if you're watching this video, we're at the Brewers event up in Mansfield. These are all little sections of the companies that are actually at this trade event. If you want to know a little bit more, please look in that corner there about the trade event that I attended last year. Nikki, who's the manageress for the Mansfield branch of Brewers, has done another event for 2025. Now, I do a number of product reviews on my YouTube channel, and one of them was the Maverick Brushes, and I'm pointing into that corner there if you want to know my thoughts on the Maverick brush. Well, I don't need to say too much because I'm over on the Maverick stand now with the lovely Christina, and she's going to talk us through the different products they've got. The Series S is a brush that I will say to anybody, if you've not seen it before, please give it a go. They're roughly about 20 quid for a box set, and the bristle is fantastic. I will, before we get talking, I'm going to say, if you're using woodwork trim paints and you want something as a soft bristle for your finishing coats, these are the brushes you want to go for.
Yeah.
Probably not so much a brush for emulsioning. Keep these for best. They are a fantastic soft brush for your woodwork trim paints and varnishes, as you're probably seeing on my videos recently. But over to you, and just tell us what we've got, because I know you've got a few other products that I've also got at home that I'll
try and do a quick breakdown of them all. So this one we'll start with the S series. So this one is going to help you get your job done a little bit quicker. So it's going to hold more paint, evenly distribute it, and it's going to do that because of its twisted filament. So under a microscope, you won't be able to see it in the camera, but under the microscope, you would be able to see that it is a twist.
What's the word that you use for twist? I can't even, we'll keep with that. So I struggle pronouncing it.
And obviously it's a new concept in a brush, and it has more than proven itself to work incredibly well. Not only that, it does give off a smooth finish. And like I said, when you're laying off your paint, it's gonna And then we'll move on to the X series. So this one is a chemically tapered. So chemically tapered, you're going to get fantastic cutting in with that. It's going to give it a super smooth, sleek finish. It's got nylon filament in it as well as PVC. It's a mixture, giving it that long-lasting brush. It's not going to lose its shape. It's going to last you a long time, especially if you're looking after your brushes and stuff. Then we'll move on to the headlock roller frame.
This is something that you will see probably coming up on my videos in the next few weeks, because I've got a video just explaining this, because I was very fortunate to get some of these as samples, and the concept of it, away you go, it's brilliant. You show it.
So this is our headlock roller frame. So it's going to lock on. That's the whole point. You unclip it super easily, just like that. It's got the slightest rim, but that's to hold your roller on. Once you put your roller on your frame, you're not going to get any slippage. It's heavy duty material. It's going to last you a long time, and it's a crazy great price on that. Then moving on to the cleaning system. So we've created a cleaning system that again is a headlock that you just slide on, and it can be all hands-free as well. So once you've put your cartridge in, you stick it in a drill, and then you're going to do your bucket cleaning in water and whatnot. And then moving on to the sleeve, it's a microfiber made with a polyamide. It's a medium pile, so it's fantastic on your semi-smooth, your semi-smooth to rough surfaces. It's great. It holds so much paint, and you're not going to be constantly dipping in there your scuttle to use it. Again, we do that in a 4-inch as well.
That's great. Just touch on, because you were very kind to send me some coral product as well. I've been trialing over the last few weeks the coral mini rollers, and the handle, if you want to call it the handle. And I have to say, really nice. 10mm
That's
and the 5mm are fantastic.
So we've given you the Aspire then, the white,
Yes, the
white-
Aspire.
yeah.
Yes,
they are fantastic sleeves.
really good. I've been using it with PU gloss
Yeah,
on staircases and paneling, and it's just been fantastic.
that's
Again,
brilliant.
these will be videos that you'll probably see me talk on the next
Yeah.
few weeks in front of this video. So
No problem.
thank you very much for that. I know
Thank you.
it's a bit nerve-wracking, but do you know what? Once you get into the flow,
I'm
you're
so-
fine, aren't you? That's brilliant.
I was so nervous.
No, you're not. Fine. But really nice products. And I will say, if you've seen these in your paint wells, in your brewers, and you've had a little bit of a question, give it a go. 20 quid, it's well spent. Agree?
Definitely
Thank you.
crazy price.